Not every RV needs to feel like a luxury apartment on wheels. Sometimes all you really want is something simple, reliable, and affordable that gets you out on the road without draining your wallet. That's exactly the idea behind the Prowler Lynx. Heartland RV has been around since 2003, and even though it's not the oldest brand out there, the experience behind it really shows. They offer a wide range of RVs, and the Prowler Lynx series focuses on giving travelers a practical, no-nonsense option that still feels comfortable and well thought out. The 2026 Prowler Lynx 1700RB is one of the smaller models in the lineup, but it does a great job of proving that you don't need a big trailer to have a good experience. It's clearly designed for people who love getting outdoors and don't want to deal with towing something oversized and complicated. At just over 21 feet long, this trailer keeps things compact and easy to manage. There are no slide-outs, which helps keep both the weight and maintenance down. The build includes fiberglass sidewalls, aluminum siding, and a clean, simple front design. Inside, the layout is open and straightforward, with a rear bathroom and enough sleeping space for up to 3 people, though it's most comfortable for 2. Up front, you'll find a queen bed with storage underneath, and additional storage spaces built around it. There are shelves, a small wardrobe, and overhead compartments that make the most of the available room. Just a step down from the sleeping area is the kitchen, which is simple but does the job. You get a 2-burner gas cooktop, a small sink, a compact fridge, and a microwave. Everything you need for basic meals on the road. Across from the kitchen is a dinette that can easily turn into a bed at night. It's a flexible space that works for eating, relaxing, or sleeping. There's also room for a TV setup and a window that brings in light and fresh air. The rear bathroom stretches across the full width of the trailer, which actually gives it a bit more breathing room than you might expect. Inside, there's a shower, a foot-flush toilet, and even some extra storage, including a linen closet, which is a nice touch for a trailer this size. When it comes to the essentials, it covers all the bases. You get air conditioning, a furnace, and an on-demand tankless water heater. Outside, there's a 10-foot awning, manual stabilizing jacks, and prep for adding a rear ladder. The water tank capacities and overall weight are well suited for short trips and easy towing. One of the biggest advantages here is the price. While the official price is around $22,000, it's not unusual to find it selling for closer to $15,000 to $16,000, depending on the dealer and any ongoing deals. This trailer isn't about luxury or showing off. It's about getting out there, keeping things simple, and enjoying the experience without overcomplicating it. And for a lot of people, that's exactly what makes it such a great option.